Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Here comes a new concept for your home, the world's first smart, touchless faucet adapter. Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand-washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption by up to 65%. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.
What if there was a way to inject high-viscosity biologics without the pain, anxiety, and risks of handling needles? What if you didn't need needles at all? Instead, a comfortable method that slips effortlessly into routine living, offering the best choice for home use for patients and physicians. Introducing Portal Instruments' revolutionary drug delivery system. With breakthrough technology developed at MIT, Portal delivers a digitally controlled, needle-free rapid injection that is safe, reliable, and convenient. Using precise pressure technology, the injection is administered through the skin via a jet the size of a human hair, ensuring optimal comfort. With Portal, every delivery is precise and complete. Portal is patient-preferred for its simplicity and comfort. Just load, administer, and discard. Real-time data are captured and reported instantly to the patient, care team, and to you. Valuable information that can improve compliance and inform the design and development of new therapies. The era of at-home injectable medicine is upon us. Let Portal be your gateway to improved outcomes and broader market penetration. Your game-changing drugs deserve Portal's game-changing delivery system.
Life can Teco Auto Water teaches children hand washing habits to get rid of germs. It has two powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector kitchen faucets, Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge, combined with the reliable durability.
Some tools never change. A hammer is a hammer, a hairbrush is a hairbrush, and for nearly 150 years, a nail clipper has always been just a nail clipper. Current nail clippers require odd, uncomfortable movements of your wrist and can easily rotate or shift unexpectedly, which is an issue when you're holding a sharp object. It also requires you to be able to have a strong squeeze between your thumb and your pointer finger, which may not seem like a big deal, but degeneration at the base of the thumb is very common among people over the age of 50, causing them to struggle with this pinching movement. And when you lose strength in that motion, cutting nails is one of the first tasks affected. As orthopedic surgeons ourselves, we've become used to precise surgical instruments built for ease of use and accuracy. We thought, why can't we bring this type of quality, ease, and precision we find in the operating room to consumers in their own homes? That's why we invented Clipper Pro. Its unique swivel function allows you to position your hand, wrist, arm, and shoulder in the most comfortable position for you. The double action mechanism makes cutting your nails much easier, requiring very little strength to operate. And our surgical grade stainless steel blades cut cleanly, precisely, and effortlessly. We've spent the last 10 years working diligently to take an outdated, frustrating hygiene tool and bring it into the modern era. By combining decades of experience as orthopedic surgeons with innovative engineering, state-of-the-art manufacturing, and cutting-edge design, we have created a revolutionary tool. Clipper Pro is so precise it could be used in the operating room, and it is now available for use in the comfort of your own home. We are passionate about Clipper Pro, and we are confident you will love it too. All of our tooling has been made, tested, and personally inspected by us. We are ready to go into production